Welcome back to CINCH Tips. In this session, we'll explore how to manage and organize your images using the image library in CINCH Quilt. The image library is where you can store and organize all your digital images, like fabric swatches, t-shirts, and jersey designs to use in your quilt projects. This feature helps you keep everything in one place and makes it easier to find what you need later. You can access the image library anytime by selecting the image library icon from the left sidebar. When you open it, it will automatically show your existing images. If you're just starting, your library will be empty, and that's okay. To begin adding images, click Upload New Image. A window will open where you can select image files from your computer. CINCH Quilt supports common image formats and you can upload up to 10 images at a time. After uploading, your new images appear in the library, ready to manage or use in your project. Each image in your library includes tools to help you stay organized. Hovering over an image shows a few helpful icons. You can download the image, view information like its size and folder location, or delete it if you no longer need it. You'll also notice a T icon. This allows you to rename your image. Simply click it and type in a new name. You can rename an image based on its design or the project you're working on. This makes searching and organizing your images much easier, especially when you have a large library. The image library also gives you several grouping options. By default, all images are displayed together, sorted by the most recent uploads. If you want to organize them further, you can group by design, which shows images connected to specific projects, or choose Group by Custom Folders to create your own folders. For example, you might create one folder for t-shirts, another for fabrics, and another for logos. To move images into a folder, select one or more images, then click Move to Custom Folder. You can choose an existing folder or create a new one with a name that makes sense to you. Only folders containing images will appear in your list, keeping your library uncluttered and easy to navigate. At the top, the search bar helps you quickly find what you're looking for. Just type in a keyword or part of a file name, and CINCH Quilt will display all the images that match. This is especially useful once you've renamed your images with clear, descriptive names. After you've finished organizing, you can close the image library and return to your design project. Your images will remain saved and ready to use whenever you need them. That's how you can manage and organize your images in CINCH Quilt. Keeping your image library organized will save you time and help you stay focused on creating your designs. Thanks for joining this CINCH Tips session, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.